What's up, guys? Luke KM46 here, back again with another YouTube video. Today I have a package here from Japan, and it's another Amiibo, and I just wanted to do an unboxing of it because I might as well. So let's do this. So just let's go. Just doing this so you don't see any stuff on my. Well, you know what? I have an idea. We don't need the knife. There's a bottom that I can just figure out how to open it. We can open it. Hold up. Curse these stupid boxes. There we go. It took a little bit of ripping, but we got it. Alright, so take the actual package out. Stupid one hand, and you have it right here. Let's take all this wrapping off. Let's do this. That's a really good way to do it. Again, doing this on my bed. Man, this thing is tight. It's like stuff. So there it is. So let's get this. Oh yes, crisp Japanese boxes. Look at that. Oop! Didn't know the camera was there. Just look at that. That beautiful Sonic. I wonder what the back looks. Alright, so the back looks different than the... It looks different than the US version totally. But it's a little similar to the European versions, actually. That top part there is really similar. But that's a little different, so... Let's open this thing. And if I screw this up... So help me, I am going to kill myself. So let me get the knife out. The knife. The knife. Oh, alright. Stupid remote. Let's see if I can do this. Alright. Focus. Ooh. Some nice focus. Dang it. Excuse me. Ooh, I almost had it. Excuse me for one. Hey guys, I found a really good way to open these boxes actually. Use this way at all costs. So what I'm actually doing is cutting the plastic around. So I'm just cutting the plastic around. I'm going to show you the finished product. Jeez, this looks amazing how I'm doing this though. Okay. Bro, I did this like perfect. Look at that. Look at that. You can barely tell I scratched the surface of it. Just the top right corner, but all I did was cut the plastic. And you can tell it looks really nice. So, let me cut the plastic a little more. Jeez, man, I did that almost perfectly. So I'm trying not to cut this. Oh my goodness. So sorry about the hold up, sorry. Come on, you stupid. Alright, I'm gonna need to cut. So, you guys want to keep, you might want to keep these. But that looks really nice in my opinion right there. Except for that bottom part, which, crap. Ooh, that worked well. Alright. Ugh. Beat it with my teeth. But other than that, that's a pretty well open box. You see there's some plastic right there. See? But that's a small price to pay for a great box. And this is a Sonic, so put the trash back in this box. Wow, this is like already. Sorry. Oh, I just get that. And the box is like in perfect shape too. The box itself, I mean, just look at this box. Just look at it. It's perfect. Alright, so let's take this guy out. Look at that. That also looks perfect. Alright, so you have your standard information packet about Amiibo. In Japanese, I'm not going to take my time and read it. That's where the camera is. And there we go. Now, oh, god dang it. Got to break him. Ah! And there he is. Mr. Sonic the Hedgehog. So, let's look at him. There we go. He looks really well made. That's really nice, actually. Well, got myself a Sonic and a very well cut box, too. I thought I might be able to do that, and it actually worked. Very proud of that. I should have done that for the Cario instead, but oh well. But, there we go, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.